Imagine the internet is a big city, teeming with activity and endless possibilities. Websites are like buildings in that city, each with its own unique structure and purpose. When a website links to your website, it's like putting a sign on their building that points to yours, inviting visitors to explore. These signs are called backlinks. They act as endorsements, signaling to others that your site is worth visiting. Backlinks tell search engines like Google that your website is important and trustworthy, which can significantly impact your site's visibility. The more backlinks you have, the more people trust your website. It's like having numerous recommendations from credible sources. This trust translates into higher rankings on search engine results pages, making it easier for potential visitors to find you. Higher ranking means more people will find you. As your website climbs the search results, you'll see an increase in traffic and engagement. This boost in visibility can lead to more opportunities, whether it's growing your audience, increasing sales, or building a stronger online presence. So, focus on building quality backlinks and watch your website's popularity soar. It's all about creating connections and being recognized in the vast city of the internet. Guest blogging is like being a guest speaker. You write an article for another website in your industry. In your article, you can put a link back to your own website. This is like giving your website's address to everyone in the audience. Guest blogging helps you reach a new audience. People who read your article might visit your website through your link. Outreach means connecting with other website owners and bloggers. This is a crucial step in expanding your online presence and building a network of valuable connections. By reaching out, you open doors to new opportunities and collaborations that can significantly benefit your website. You can email them and introduce yourself. Craft a personalized message that highlights who you are and what your website is about. Make sure to explain how your content can add value to their audience and why a partnership would be mutually beneficial. Tell them about your website and why it would be helpful for their audience. Provide specific examples of your content that align with their interests. This shows that you have done your research and are genuinely interested in creating a meaningful connection. Ask them politely if they can add a link to your website on their page. Be respectful and considerate in your request, understanding that they may have their own criteria for linking to external sites. Offer to reciprocate by featuring their content on your website as well. Building relationships with other website owners is important. These connections can lead to long-term partnerships, guest blogging opportunities, and increased exposure for your site. Networking within your industry helps you stay updated with trends and best practices. It helps you get more backlinks and grow your website's authority. Backlinks from reputable sites signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy, improving your search rankings. Ultimately, this can drive more traffic to your site and enhance your online reputation. Section 4. Social media. Power sharing is caring. Social media is like a big party. You can share your website and its content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. When you share your website link on social media, it's like inviting people to visit your website. The more people who see your link, the more chances you have to get backlinks. Section 5. Quality content, the magnet for backlinks. In the world of SEO, backlinks are like gold. They are crucial for improving your website's authority and search engine ranking. The best way to get backlinks is to create amazing content. Write blog posts, make videos, and produce content that stands out. Or design infographics that people will love. Infographics are particularly effective because they present information in a visually appealing way, making it easy to understand and share. When people find your content valuable, they are more likely to engage with it. This engagement can lead to shares, comments, and most importantly, backlinks. They will naturally want to share it with others. Social media platforms are a great way to amplify your content's reach. When your content is shared widely, it increases the chances of other websites linking back to it. This means more backlinks for you. Monitoring your backlink growth through analytics tools can help you understand which content is performing well and attracting links. Focus on creating high-quality content that helps people and provides value. This could be in the form of how-to guides, detailed tutorials, or insightful articles. The more helpful your content is, the more likely people are to link to it. Remember, content that solves problems or answers questions is highly shareable. So invest time in researching what your audience needs and create content that meets those needs. The effort you put into creating quality content will pay off in the form of valuable backlinks.